Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In the last video, we have added some data in the Excel file, and now in this video, I will show you one demonstration how to add one two-dimensional array data in the Excel sheet. So it will look like table. So here you can see in this screen we have some code which are very common in all our videos. So first is string path that holds the output file path. Then we have this file object. Here we have workbook and sheet, and then file output stream workbook.write and output stream close. So now let's start. First we should have one two-dimensional array that we are going to use in the example. So let me create that. Here string so here we have this two-dimensional array, and now let's create one row object and one cell object. Also we need to create two integer object for initial row and cell position of table. Now let's create one for loop. And here first assign the value to row. Okay, so here we have this row equal to sheet1 dot create row, and its position will be I plus row position. So for example, if I equal to 0, then row position will be this 4 plus 0 equal to 4. Next time when the loop will run, I will be 1, and next row position will be this 4 plus 1, that means 5, and next time 6, and after that 7 8. Okay, now create one another for loop here. Okay, so here j is less than table data. So table data is this. then 0th position and its length. So here 1 2 3 4, so this loop will run 4 times. Okay, and here first just assign value to the cell. Okay, so cell equal to j plus call position. So call position is 5, and if the j is 0, the first call position will be 5, and next time j will be 1, call position will be 5 plus 1, that is 6, and next time 7 8. Okay, so now we have this cell, and let's add the value in this cell. And this first will be I and the second will be J. So I think everything is done. Let's try to run this. Here you can see file created, and let's open the file. And here you can see this table. Now you can see its position. So initial position was 4 and 5. So here 0 1 2 3 4, and row is 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is the initial position, that is 4 row and 5 column. And now one thing you can also see here, this message, that is the number is in this cell is formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe. Okay, so we can also sort out this, and for that here we need to create one if condition. So here you can see our first column is integer and fourth column is integer. So here we can just create one simple if condition. So if I is not equal to 0, okay, because we are just skipping this first header line. Okay, so if I is not equal to 0, then if j equal to 0 or j equal to 3, then this cell dot set cell value, and here we will put integer. So integer dot parse int, and here table data I and j. Okay, so if the j is 0 or 3, we will put integer value, else we will put normal string. Okay, and one more thing very important, here we have skipped the first header, that is 0th position. And one very important thing, here we have used if I is not equal to 0, then we will put these values, but if there will be I equal to 0, we need to put this data, and for that we will use else. Okay, so I hope you got this. Now again let's run this, but before that just close this Excel file and run. Now you can see file is created, and let's open the file. And here you can see the green warning has gone. Okay, so this was the simple demonstration how to add our two-dimensional array in the Excel. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then please hit like button, subscribe this channel for upcoming video notification, and also you can share this video with your friends. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.